Milo's bike ride. Milo was an energetic little puppy with floppy ears and a wagging tail. Today was a big day. His dad was taking him to the park to learn how to ride a bicycle. Before they left, Dad made sure Milo was all set for safety. Milo wore a bright, shiny helmet on his head and knee pads on his little legs. "I'm going to zoom so fast!" Milo barked excitedly as he hopped onto his shiny red bike, his tail wagging like a little flag. Dad chuckled. "Riding a bike takes practice, Milo. Just remember, if you fall, get back up and try again. But always be safe." Milo wiggled his paws on the pedals. "I can do it," he said confidently. He pushed the pedals wobble, wobble, crash. Milo tumbled onto the soft grass, his helmet making a little thud. "Ouch! But I'm okay." Milo's ears drooped. "Maybe I'm too little to ride a bike." Dad knelt beside him and ruffled his fur. "You're not too little, Milo. You just need to keep trying." So, Milo got back on his bike. This time, Dad held onto the back of the seat. "Pedal, Milo. Keep your balance," Dad encouraged. Milo pedaled, wobble, wobble, crash. After a few failed attempts, Milo sat on the grass, sighing. "This is too hard." His little paws rubbed his sore knees. Dad patted his head. "All great riders started just like you. Even I fell when I was little. But I never gave up, and neither will you. You've got your gear to keep you safe." Milo took a deep breath, his floppy ears perking up. "Okay, one more try." This time, he gripped the handlebars tight, focused straight ahead, and pushed the pedals slow and steady. "Good job, Milo!" Dad cheered. Milo pedaled, wobble, wobble, roll. Wait, he was moving. "Dad, look! I'm doing it!" Milo barked excitedly, his tail spinning like a helicopter. Dad let go, and Milo kept going all by himself. The wind ruffled his fur as he zoomed down the path, the fresh air filling his little lungs with excitement. "I did it! I really did it!" Milo cheered, feeling proud and safe. Dad clapped. "I knew you could, Milo. You never gave up, and you stayed safe." From that day on, Milo loved riding his bike, knowing that with practice, perseverance, and the right safety gear, he could do anything. The end. So friends, we'd love to hear about your first bike ride. Share your story in the comments. Don't forget to give this story a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time.